Alright everyone, today we're gonna do the promised detailing video of this Mercedes Benz W124 250 diesel. As this is going to be a lot of work, we have Jasmine here today to help us with the car. The car is 38 years old and it has been parking outside for a while, so it has collected quite a lot of dirt, as you can see here. So the dash is very dusty. You can see this is very dirty too. Needs a lot of detailing. So the first thing we're going to do is to remove everything from the car that doesn't belong inside. We're now going to remove the seat protector. I'm really curious how the seat looks underneath it, because they're usually damaged. So, well, as you can see, the driver's seat is damaged. This is quite a pity, because this is a quite rare color, so it might be hard to find replacement for it. But anyway, it is what it is. Very well. So the surfaces of the interior are done, and the next step is to vacuum the car, the carpets and the seats, and to get all the dirt and the dust from the previous decades out of the car. So by now, the car looks comparatively nice and tidy inside again. So the next step is to seal all the old plastic surfaces to make them nice and shiny again. Finally, the old Mercedes is nice and tidy inside again. Very well, that's it for today. Basically, we planned to detail the entire car today, but it's late afternoon already, so it was a very hot day, so we couldn't work as fast as we planned, and we finished the interior, but we have to do the exterior another day. Due to a busy schedule, we don't know exactly when this will be, but stay tuned. We hope to see you soon with our next video detailing the outside of this old Mercedes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, keep checking back, and see you soon!